A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself.
Hi, this is a cabin tour of cabin 8229. It's a Havana interior, and I'm going to let you take a look at the room. Okay, as you walk in the door, here's the door. You have a closet with some hanging racks and a couple of shelves. There is a pull-out drawer at the bottom, which you can use for whatever shoe storage or something like that. And in the adjoining section, there's two little metal pull-out drawers, a push-button safe, another hanging rack up here. And with the XL class, they do not store the life jackets in the rooms. Those are at your muster stations. So that gives you a little bit of extra space in your closet area. The second section is another hanging section. And these can be adjusted. If you needed more space below, you would just pull that up. I just have my carry-ons in there. I believe this is a hairdryer hanging on the door. And you have a full-size mirror. And same with this. This would also raise up if you needed extra space, or you can let it down to have the shelving. And there's also the hanging area up here. Haven't received my luggage yet. It's about 1:30. Cabin's just opened for everyone. So the door opened and I followed somebody inside. The bed is set up in a king size formation rather than two twins. And unfortunately, I think they put me in an adjoining room. If you've followed along, they made a huge mistake and did not disclose that they were moving me following. There was a price drop, and a long story. The ship was sold out by the time I found out about it. And so I'm stuck here for 7 days, and then I'll move down to the hall to, I think it's about 4 cabins down to the cabin that I originally booked. Not a fan of adjoining cabins because you do usually hear noise from the next door cabin, but I'm going to make the best of it. Over here, you have your vanity area. They have this little storage chest thing. You could use that for a table or for storage. And then in the Havana area, you have a different color towel. You have the tan towels, and it's set up with your standard 2 bottles of water. If you consume these, they are $4.50 each, plus I believe an 18% gratuity. My stateroom, I have not met him yet. His name is Ryan. So, I'll probably meet Ryan later on. And then there's just a variety of information. The Havana area is a private area on the ship. It's in the front of the ship on deck 8. I have the interior. Some of those are cabanas, and they're sort of like a balcony, but it's more like a front porch. You can sit out there. I think they have swings and that sort of thing, but you don't have the privacy that you would with a balcony because there are people walking in front of you, back and forth. The pool is dedicated to people staying either in insides or in the balconies in the Havana area. And you do have these armbands, and I'm not sure if they're coated or what. Mine is in the room on the vanity, and it doesn't look like there's a sensor. It just looks like a rubber bracelet, but you have to wear that the entire time. And then, of course, you have your regular card to get in this area. And I don't know if you scan that or what. I haven't been through the door since I got that. There is the directory, which is the usual thing, and it just tells you where to pick up your items for your VIP redemption, so your water and your pen or your diamond and platinum gift. And that's usually the photo gallery for the gift and the pen, and any bar for your bottle of water. And I don't think there's any other benefit. They did have $25 cash. They had started giving out since COVID, and you collected that at the casino. There is a printed menu for room service. The continental breakfast is usually free. The sandwiches, if you want one of those, are about $5, but you can also walk to deck 6 and get those free of charge at the coffee shop in the morning. They have a grab and go down there. So on XL ships, you have more options. But here's a little look at the menu and the items you can order. I don't usually order room service. It's just, if I want something, I'm just going to go and get it. But I guess if you didn't feel like getting out, it might be a good option. And then the fun times, again, they're printing those for anybody that needs those. They have a sail away party and Family Feud auditions. I heard there were a lot of people in our Facebook group that wanted to get involved with that. There's karaoke tonight and a lot of other things going on. I think there's a late night comedy show about 11:30. And then probably some other things that I don't know about. I do have a Steakhouse reservation tonight. And let me see. And they left me a letter regarding health care. I asked for a Sharps container because I take an injection. And so they're talking about dialysis and all this other stuff, which doesn't apply to me. And about the curfew for kids. After 1 a.m., you have to be in your room, kiddos. And just all this. Code of conduct, behave yourself, things to do when you're going ashore, smoking, don't smoke in your room, or you'll be fined. I think it was $500, and it tells you how to call room to room, medical center, internet, laundry, dining, and dress code. That's about it for all the paperwork that's on my counter. And I did order some water for my room. I've heard that has gone up substantially. I ordered this a while ago. I didn't open this fridge. The fridges are different on the XL class. So Mardi Gras, Jubilee, and Celebration had this nice little mini fridge. I think they still call it a cooler box. I was told if I'm storing medication that has to be a certain temperature, that it probably wouldn't keep it cool enough, but it's fine for what I need. And basically, that's about it for outlets. You have 3 standard outlets here, 2 USBs, and I believe they have a USB, and a lamp, a reading lamp by the bed, along with these little shelving units. The master control for the lights is in the middle of the bedding area. And I suppose if you had this set up for twins, there's probably a different setup. I'm not exactly sure if they put one bed over there and one over there. I don't know. I guess we'll see next week when I have to change rooms when Carly gets down here. There's also another one on this side of the bed. There's not a lot of space. I don't know what that is on. That looks dirty. Don't know what that is. But reading lamp and a USB. Maybe that's not dirt. Maybe it's something else. Lord, I hope it's not dirt. Anyway, this is an inside cabana room. I don't think I showed you the restroom. It's very compact. Shelving, 2 shelves. They did put glasses in here. I noticed the last trip I took there were no glasses. I like to use those to store my toothbrush. Make me a makeshift toothbrush holder. There's extra tissue and Kleenex in there. I also bring my own Kleenex because those are so rough. There's a little bit of storage down below, and then in the bottom, I don't know that I would put anything down there because there is a drain. So if you had any overflow from your shower, it's going to get all your things wet. But there's a little bit of space right there. And on the inside shelf, these shower doors, the glass shower doors, are nice. They just pull open. It's a small shower with your shower gel and shampoo and the little foot holder, whatever, footstool, I don't know what you call it, and a little clothesline that's retractable in the top in case you want to hang your bathing suit. And that's about it for the bathroom. Larger sink, I think, in these XL class. And there is a little mirror that folds out. Shaving mirror, I guess. And that's about it for this room. So, more to come. And I'll let you know about the noise level from the adjoining cabin. Not happy about that, but again, you gotta take it. At least I'm on a cruise, so you have to have a good attitude and just go with it. So more later. Thanks for watching.
Apple smoke on our own farm.
Before all the fun can begin, I need somebody's help to naturally activate the fun. That means all the fun will start. I'm looking for some energy, my friend. Come on down here. You are in charge. You are in charge. When that button is pushed, everybody will go wild and crazy. But first, what's your name? Isaac, where you from? From New York. Isaac, we're gonna catch you in. Once that button is pushed, that means all the fun can begin. That means you will be officially on vacation. Isaac, when you hit the button, everybody will go wild and crazy for you. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh Lord, be ready. Be ready. Isaac, get your feet ready. We're gonna catch you in. We're gonna catch you in. Everybody, clap those hands. Clap those hands. Isaac, you are responsible. Celebration. Come on. Get it up, come on. Get up to the inside. Keep it on top. You will reach the all the way. As you are in charge. Whatever y'all decide to get out there and enjoy your evening and enjoy vacation, my cousins,